You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay.
Say mama.
You're fine.
Sophie, I love you. I love you.
You okay, boy?
Go out.
Can you say mama? Say mama. Say mama. Mama. Oh my God, you just said mama.
What? What?
Water. Water. No, water.
When do you want dinner? Sorry, what did you say?
Cooter, I love you.
Hola. Where are you?
If you're happy and you know it, say meow. If you're happy and you know it, say meow. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, say meow.
Berlin, dinner is at 8 o'clock. You understand? What do you mean no? You have to wait. Why not? You're hungry now? But you have to wait. It's cold, right? I know. You feel cold? A little bit? I put the heat on.
Good morning, Kermit. Oh, really?
Francis, do you want to eat? No? You're not that hungry? Are you serious?
Everybody say yeah. Everybody say yeah.
Say hello.
You awake?
Do you love me? I love you. I love you.